Engineers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want us to go through adding a layout to your structural drawing. So I have a structural drawing here and I need to add a layout, and I need to do it manually. I don't need to use these layers, okay, because they bring confusion in terms of the size of paper. So I want to add my own layout in AutoCAD model. So let's begin. So I will insert a rectangle from there and skip first. It's too close to put my rectangle from there, drag it up to that point, and then I will insert another rectangle inside from here. So right now I'm using a layout for the contractor that I work with. So this is how they present their drawings. So the first rectangle is notes. So I'm going to add my notes, annotate. I'm going to insert so I'm going to change the font into 500. That is the font that I want to use. I want to change the font into 500 or 450. Then notes in caps lock, and then I'm going to add a bold, and let me first remove the bold. Then I'm going to select it, properties. I want area bold. Let me change it to 550. Then like that. Then I will set my first I will set my notes down here. So let us proceed. You can either go to annotate, click here and choose multi-line text, then drag it from there to there, then select 450. I don't know if you can just edit 450 or 500. No, you can't. You need to add it. So it should be there already. So I'm using 450, and I'm using area, not area bold. Okay. So, and remember, to have these styles, you basically need to go to annotate, and then text, and then so you need to click. You can see that that arrow down here. Then you can just add new. Then you can just name the style. Let's say area narrow, and then okay. Then here you select either area. Then you come and select area narrow. Then you come and you can just put regular italic or bold italic or italic, so you will have that layout there. So that's how you add your fonts. So let's add our text here, multi-line there, get faster, multi-line from here, then of course for 50. And then my note number 1, all dimensions are in millimeters unless otherwise stated, then full stop. And then remember, I'm adding the layout so that I can print. Okay, so just need to drag this up to that point, and then let me drag to the end up to that point, and then I'm going to select the entire of this, and then I'm going to add bullets, and then you can see then numbered, and then I can just drag this anywhere. Maximum is there, so I can just put it a bit to that side, and then I can select my style to be narrow. Yes, so just the font, this one is one which has changed, so you need to select the entire of this, then change it here to we need to change this to, you can go to properties, and then height be 4 or 550. So that's the way. Then escape it, and then we drag this. You can drag this here. You can see we check orthogonal, and then drag it back, so we need to be thin a bit. Then also you can stretch this backward. So you can continue, hit escape button, then you can continue. Go to number 2. Note number 2, only figure dimensions are to be taken from this drawing. Sorry, I'm reading somewhere. So the contractor to verify all dimension as appropriate. Then full stop. Then you can see where the issue is coming, so you need to drag this back up to that point, and then we need to select the spacing. Let my spacing be 1.5. So actually I can already see that this is too small, so I should just maybe move this way, move. Then of course I have snapped 90 degrees, then that point that way, and then I'll come here, then this one I will move that way up, let's say that point, then select this, hit escape button because I have selected two different, so that point, then we will continue to number 3. So hope this is 1.5, so we need 1.5, so like that. So we continue. This drawing is to be read in accordance with other structural or architectural drawing. Structural stroke architectural drawings. Architectural drawings, then full stop. And then note number 4, concrete cover to be reinforced steel. Concrete cover to reinforcement steel shall be then column, full column. So we can change this here to be off, and then number letters, this is letters. I can say uppercase or lowercase letters, and then lowercase, and then I can try to justify so this one actually I can first escape this, and first escape, okay, cancel, just click down here, and then we will insert a new one for the concrete covers. Annotate, pick multi-line, from there, then select this to be 550, then 25 millimeters for beams, then 50 millimeters for bases, comma 35 millimeters for columns, and when $20 millimeters for slabs and staircase. Staircase, and then we can select, and then we can put numbers, or we can put that like that. So this one we can just drag it. So like that. Then come and continue with our other annotation. So I'll come and pick just from this point, that point, then 550, then we continue. Concrete strength. Concrete strength shall be class 30 to 20. Just put diagonal, just unstack. Okay, you unstack, and then for columns and class 25 to 20, then unstack for other structural elements. Then you can just annotate, then just come on here. So here I need to turn this off, or then you see, you select, you allow bullet and list. So if I allow, you can see I can be able to edit. So allow, so that I can edit that and make it 5. Then we can now continue to 6. Then remember our spacing was 1.5. So we can just select everything. So we go to number. So we first need to turn back auto listing on, and then allow, and then continue, full stop, continue. So deformed bar type. One and 2 are denoted as T, while mild steel reinforcement bars are denoted as R, and then full stop. Then all steel reinforcement must be approved by the structural engineer before casting. All right. Okay, concrete shall have 20 millimeters maximum aggregate. I was missing that. Concrete shall have 20 millimeters maximum aggregate size, and be well vibrated and cured. So we continue to number 8. All steel reinforcement must be approved by the structural engineer. Before casting, right? Then full stop. Then you can see we are already past the size, so we should just drag it down, say to that point. Then we can continue. First of all, we have selected this line, so we cannot edit because see they are different. So continue. Building blocks shall be adequately set. Adequately, missing the spelling there. Set and bonded in 1:3 cement, and set and bonded in 1:3 cement to sand mortar. Okay, number 10. All load bearing walls to be of good quality to the engineer's satisfaction. All load bearing wall to be of good quality to the engineer's satisfaction. So now we are out of space. Let me first finish. Timber to be well seasoned, general grade cypress. To be well seasoned, general grade cypress or equivalent to engineer satisfaction. And then finally we will turn this off. Okay, so NB comma a bearing capacity of 190, bearing capacity of 190 kilonewtons per meter squared per meter squared per square meter. Let me just put square meter, right? Was adopted for the base, bases and 3,000 liter tank. another note, 3000 liter tank has been considered only on the top of staircase slab, only on the top of staircase slab. So liter should be caps lock. Maybe this liter should be caps lock. Liter, right. Then you will come here, you can select this, and then I can change, or I can just let me cut. Then I will just add it separately. Okay, then I come multi-line text, from there drag up to there, and then remember this one is 550. Then I can paste, right? Then I can select, then I can go to properties, then I can assign italic, Arial, Arial. I can assign it Arial bold. So I need Arial. So Arial bold, and then the rest, this one I need Arial regular, not Arial narrow. I need Arial regular for that, and then also for this I need Arial regular, Arial regular. Remember I have showed you where you can set this. So Arial regular. Just go back. So I need Arial regular properties. So like that, and then here also I need Arial. Maybe I can just try here Arial regular. Okay. Okay. Arial. Yeah, I need to select that. So now you can see how my work looks like. So the other thing, maybe I'm using too much space, that's why it's like congested. Maybe I can just select this, select the entire, then and come here, spacing, make it 1. Maybe I can just control all, then make it 1, then go back. Then also I can do the same thing here, control all, then select 1. Okay, maybe I've selected different, control all, then 1. So this one escape first, control all, select everything, and then the spacing here is 1. Then we can just move home, move there. This one also you can move, then this one also you can can be moved so that we have more space. Then escape it, then can drag this up to that point. Then you can go to revisions. So I will insert another rectangle from, so I just snap at the intersection, turn this snap on, and just add it division, then do escape first, add another one here up to that point, then I can add so this one you need to drag it also a bit up to that point. Then I can go and just XL vertical, XL, enter, and then vertical. Then I will add one here, one there, then escape, then I will trim it, then I will trim it, then I will add another one, escape it, XL, and then horizontal, then I add several there, 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 then I just do there. Copy this point, and remove the snap one making, go to the wrong place, then snap, then remove all these, then I can just select that and then trim off. Okay, like that. Then I will add an annotation, and from there to there, then obviously 550, then I just revisions, then I can add number here, just copy this, then move this knob, then I can just edit because it is too small, just number, date, description, date, description, then maybe I can just move this a bit high, everything, because we need more space. And then move it, drag it up to that point. Nope. Just bring it back. Just snap at 90. Then remove this snap. But now we can move. because it's taking it to the nearest and we don't want that. And then just drag this way. Then up to there. Then this we can move a bit high. Escape first. Select everything. Move, and then this one we can just select it, and then we need the space to be 1. I mean, select everything, then the spacing to be 1, and then you can just move it. Then you can select this, then you can move. We want to move everything from this point up to that point. Okay, then you can add the other nodes. You need to snap this. Escape first. And from there, then we can drag it up to there. Okay, so I didn't need to move up to that point because there is snap. I need to drag this a bit back. And this one you can just move it a bit up to there. Then you can just copy from let me snap from this point, then to that point, then to that point. Then this one I can change, maybe they are too big. Properties, I can change this to 450 actually. Let's change that to 450. Also this can change properties, because I need to use the whole space. It's too big, that's why it's occupying most of the space, and there will be some things that need that space, some notes. So I just I'll select, just select everything up to there, right? So then I can just move a bit up. Then I can just select these, then move them, then I've snapped, okay, then up to that point. And then I will add other nodes. I can go to annotate, and then go to change this to, let's say, 450. So the project, then this one I can just that's that, then move it a bit high. So because this is the title here, I need it to be bold. Properties, I need to be Arial bold. Okay, so I can just copy. Okay, just copy this, copy another title here, and maybe I can remove that, another title here. Then I will just change the title, project, and client, and then title. And I'll come and add the title and the, so maybe I can just show you, drag this back a bit, then drag this back a bit. The same. Then just move, just snap, move, then I can move it, move from that point, then this one can move it back, move from that point, then like that. So I can add the titles. So I can add the title, then obviously here I will change to 450. Then proposed construction of plot, and maybe I can use caps lock. Plot number 11 being part of LR number 12867. Then so this one I need to be property to be not bold, not that, I need to be just Arial. Okay, so I can just add another one. Maybe I can come here to annotation because some annotation are confusing me, then just click the arrow below, then I can remove this. I can just use this, then set current, then maybe first set this current, set this as current, and then delete this because it is bringing confusions. Okay, delete. Okay, close. Properties. Okay, properties. Properties. Okay, I don't know why it is being used. Oh, it is here. So I need to remove this, change it to bold. Properties, change it to Arial, Arial bold. Then also these properties, change it to Arial bold. Then also these properties, only these properties, then change it to Arial bold so that I can delete that. Then move this one, okay, then I can just go and delete that because it is confusing. Yes, okay, so I have deleted it. And then this is another area, I don't know, Arial black. I just need Arial bold. Then this Arial narrow and delete because I'm only using this and this. And this Arial also I can delete. Okay, so I think it's just same to this, so there's no problem. Can use any. This one is just this one, just the spelling. Okay, close. Then I can now add another text here. I'll escape it first. First of all, I'll remove this snap. I don't know why it is snapping to I need to be precise, so I need to remove snap up to there. Then I can just edit. And then I can just edit. Sorry for that. Sofia Mwendo. Mwe. Toi. And. Then Nairobi. I will not show you the address of our client because the real project. So this one is PO box. Then this one just remove bullet and all that stuff. Then Nairobi, and then title. Oops, first move. I can just say client is viewers, then PO box 1,000 10,000 subscribers. I'll go back, then I think it is that PO box bringing for issues. Wait, I think they are just here. It's just they are very small. Yeah, it's just very small. Numbers are very small. Properties, yeah, the height is very small. That's why. Just change it here to 400. Let's see. Then apply. You can see. Just there is just very small, and then can just move this one. So remember, the text height is very important. Then title, structural drawing. Structural caps lock drawing. So also still very small. So that would that big one. Yes, or just properties 450. Then still property, and then I change to area bold. Then escape it. Then I will add another text. Up there. So we need to change this one to 550. Then RC slab detail, and RC beam detail. And then maybe I can change this property to area, just area. Okay, then height should be, and go back property, be not for 450. Not that, that's too big. Okay, then we will I'm going to add another. I will snap, I'll remove nearest, just intersection from here. Up to there. Up to there. Then XL, enter, enter. just there, then there, then there, then there, then XL again, vertical now this time, then there, then there. Then I can come, select that, then I can trim some. And escape, then I can select that, then I can trim those layer boundaries. Then I will come and add, I can just copy this, put it here, and remove this knob, and then I can edit, scale, just scale. Then I can copy here, there, then as shown. And then here checked, then here date. Okay, and then I can come, can copy this here, then here. I can edit this, drawn, then job number, and then units actually, then colon. Then I can copy everything, then back, and copy. Then I need copy this here, drawing number, then drawn by Geoffrey, then job number, drawing number, and just copy, move this from there. Yeah, I'm following a specific layout. 2 of 2 units, definitely millimeters. Then I can come here, just remove this knob. Don't need to snap, I need to be precise. From there, and then I'm just copying this. I'm just copy any of this title, then move it here, then edit consultants, then and copy this, project consultants. Then I can copy these. Please subscribe and build concepts. Okay, then building, and then I can copy these. Can just escape it, copy, building and civil works consultant. Then PO box. Then you can add the address of your company. So remember, it's okay, 540 PO box. Geoffrey Kima 210. There, we are done. Now we can print this one. So we can go to print, DWG to PDF, monochrome, remove plot object to scale, and then remove this, and then window. Then I can, from there, let me snap intersection from here. Let me first escape it. Window, can just a bit higher from there. Maybe first of all, let me go to model. Let me first cancel. I should come here. Let me first here, then drag it. So we have a lot of empty space which is not necessary. Then escape, and all that empty space is too much. So maybe I can move all these that way. Move. We don't need too much empty space. Then this one I can move it. Remove snap. And then can just also move all of these, maybe just the two of these, just that one, then move it, then just like that, then come to printing, then I can just save it. Then print, print window, just up there, then there, and then no, don't fit to scale, just like that. Then make sure here it's monochrome, because I want this to be so, and then I don't want to plot lightweights. Okay, so make sure you uncheck there, then it can be just like that, and then apply, then preview. Yeah, don't, so actually it should say like that, because you have not checked this. So that's the right way. Then always continue under the condition, continue. So you can see. So thanks guys, please subscribe to my channel.